Welcome back to the series 50 Tips from a Designer to a Designer. This is the fifth part of the series and I hope you have watched the 4 other parts. If not, don't worry my friend, I'll leave the links in the description box below. Please do check out. My name is Debolina, professionally a fashion designer, married to my best friend who is also a fashion designer, proud daughter of 2 superheroes. If you're watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get further notifications. My channel comprises of fashion designing and scope of fashion design. Our channel gives you some tips and tricks of styling as well. So please do subscribe to my channel. Please note that we put a lot of effort to bring out these videos to you. Please watch our videos until the end, and if you have any suggestion for us, please do let us know. We will work on it and give you a better video. These series I have distributed in 5 parts. So please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. For more videos you can check the description box, and also Design Buddy has come with free ebooks. So after every video we are giving free ebook. So after this I am going to share my ebook with you, which is absolutely free. So please download your free copy. After getting the brief, don't jump into the computer. My suggestion and personal experience says that we don't have time for the project to end. So what we do, after getting the brief, we just sit in the computer and start working and start designing. But my friend, hold on. Just sit down, have a piece of paper, pencil, draw and sketch it out what you want exactly. Then go to the computer. Then the process will be faster, my friend. Next point is always check what the other designers are doing. For example, the organization you must be working have 10 other designers. You go and check out with them what new things they are developing. It will always help you to develop your skill and be more advanced in designing. My next point is be brave and push boundaries. There are few designers who have engraved their name in our minds. So what did they do differently from us? They have pushed the boundaries. They created new things. So you have to be brave and push the boundaries. Just go out of the way and create something very new. Before jumping into any project, do your research properly, because this research will help you to back your project and create the desired design. My friend, the next point is website design is blueprint of the presentation and the products you have. For example, if you are designing the website, you should know everything in and out of the company, so that you can depict the company through the website to the customers. Nowadays we are into e-commerce platform too much, and customers buy a lot from e-commerce, and the website is the only bond between the buyer and the seller. When somebody is briefing you, give the amount of attention which they deserve. If you don't give the amount of attention during the briefing, then there will be a mistake in the end process. So always be attentive. Sketch out the ideas and don't give the details too early. For example, I am sketching one dress which should have detailing, I know, but detailing will come on the later stage. And if we give the detailing in the prior stage, then there can be a mistake on the later stage. So my friend, be aware of that. My friend, don't be scared to say no to a project. If your mind is saying that you cannot do the project, say no to the project. You are human being after all. You cannot do everything. So it's better to say no than creating the wrong product. You should know the power of empathy. If somebody is not good with you, you should know how empathetically you have to deal with the situation. Now finally, where stress is absent, creativity strives. If you are in a stressful situation, my friend, you cannot do a creative thing. So be relaxed, take some time, take pauses, take 5 minutes break and then come back and create the desired design you want. As we come to the end of this series, I hope you have liked this series. And if you have any suggestion for us, kindly give in the description box. We are eagerly waiting for your suggestion. For other videos, I'll leave the link in the description box below.
The moment has come when I'm going to share the link of my free ebook. Please find the link of the ebook. You can find the link in the description box as well. So please download and enjoy.
If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Also share these videos to your friends who you know that can be benefited out of our video. Please comment on our videos so that we can bring out new and very improved videos every time. Your suggestion is very important to us. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.